Right then, here we are again. We're at St. Mary's at Puddletown Church. I've been noticing on all the walls there's ancient writings or maybe ancient graffitis on the outside walls as well. There's a big flagstone floor. Another quite dark church. So going up over there. What's that? An old wall painting of some sort. Let's have a look up here. There's a bit of carpet. Little pews with wooden pews. This is the war memorial thing. It's quite, looks tiny from outside. Some ancient stoneworks. So on the floor here. Can you see it? Can you read it? George somebody. 1821. Oh, look at this. There's a pulpit to climb up to. How to say that? Let's see, one of these ones with a hood on it. Like that. Probably a Jacobean one, who knows? Massive. So through the little alcove here, there's an ancient part of the church here. See this little stone alcove? I think that's a recent adage. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's cool in here. We've got some old ancient knights. Oh, here's one. He's got his monkey at the end of his feet. Little monkey. It's a monkey type dog. Even has got graffiti on it. Look at that. Another one here. It's not focusing very well because it's dark in here. But you can stop that and have a read. Always covered in graffiti from ancient times. He's only got one leg and half a foot. He's got a dog monkey on him. These old ancient writings. Behind the step. There's another one that looks like a woman, this one. Probably husband and wife. Who knows? This monument. Read this now. It's absolutely dark in here. Right then, a couple down here. There's a bit of a step here. This is the brass. Nice carvings. If I get any closer. Can you read it? Because I can't. Very ancient. Another one here, another knight. He looks quite tall. He's good. Probably 6 foot or more. Old ancient knight. Looks like he had a tash. Moustache. Beautiful wee room in here. There's things on the floor, but they're all worn. What's this one say? Can't read it. It's too dark in here. It's unbelievable. Oh, got a squint. It's called a squint. I cannot see that at all. Big tune. Right. Nice carved roof, ceiling. The pipes up there. Organs. 1635 on that. Piece of wood. Right, found the font. There's the font. It looks cool, it does. Here's a map of the church. I don't know what's hanging up over there. I'll have a look in a minute. What's this one? Absolutely stunning. I'm standing up in the corner looking across the church. Oh, can't go upstairs because it's for safety reasons. But all these pews.